In your Google Drawing area, you can also insert out images from your computer easily. So to insert out images, first of all, you need to click on Insert right here and go to Image. So over here, you can see that there's a range of options from where you can insert out your image from. So in my case, I'm going to click on Upload from Computer. And what happens is that it opens up the Explorer window, as you can see right here. So now I'm going to go around, navigate around to the folder where I want the image from. And now I'm just going to select out the 222 file right here and click on Open, as you can see right here. And you have the image right here. So you can click and drag this around, and then you can resize this, rearrange this as you would do with any other shape. So I'm just going to go around into Insert, in Images right here, Upload from Computer, and you can see that these are the image file format list that it supports right here. So if I were to go around right here, let me just go around and change this into large icon view right here. So let me just go around onto large icon so that you can see a preview of the files over here as well. So I'm just going to go around over here and let's say, for example, select out the SVG and open this out. It says it is an unsupported image type because that is not among the list. So it only supports a handful number of file types that you see right here. So I'm just going to go around, Upload from Computer right here. So if I were to select the PNG, now you can see that it does support the PNG and its transparency as well. And that is how you can insert out images from your computer inside of Google Drawings. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.